Well, hello everyone. Today it's time for Tyler's tip of the day, and today is going to be about how to unclog your sink without using any harmful chemicals. So what I have here is I have a little bit of dish soap, and I have a jug here that I've put half water in. I put warm water or hot water in there, and I'm just going to add some soap in here, just like so. And now I'm going to put the cap on, and I'm going to shake it up a little bit. And then now I'm going to pour it into my clogged sink, just like so. There we go, just regular dish soap. And there we have it. Next, I'm going to use Tyler's tip of the day tool, which is a beer koozie. See that? Cool, huh? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this koozie, put it over the top, and I'm just going to compress it and then back out. I'm just going to keep doing this. And you're going to see how this works. Oh, I got stuff flowing out of the overflow hole here. Let's see if that works for us. Looks like it's working, as I predicted. There we go. Now let's add a little more water. Looks like we got some good flow. Let's try it one more time. And this is basically the process. And as you can see, it will clear out your sink so that it isn't stopped up. And I think we've got it pretty much done now. So, it's just suds in there now. Let's get this out. And it is flowing good. All we have to do now is just clear away all of our soap. So that's Tyler's tip of the day. I hope that it helps you out in the future. And thank you very much for tuning in today. Please subscribe if you would, and I'll be happy to subscribe back to you. And I'd appreciate it if you give me a like on this video. Have a great day now, everybody. Bye-bye.